warning for southern White County in Middle Tennessee, Van Buren County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Spencer, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sparta, Spencer, Doyle, Rock Island State Park, Virgin Falls State Natural Area, and Fall Creek Falls State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.